everybody. This is Josh Ruff. I'm here today to try to show you a way to get your gas heater to work if your pilot light's not working. Because, you know, the thermocoupler will not allow the gas out if it's not hot due to the pilot light. Well, if the pilot light don't burn, it won't get hot enough to open up the gas valve. Or however that works, I don't know. But anyway, you'll need a couple items. You need a pocket torch, a screwdriver, and a piece of copper wire. You take the piece of copper wire and the screwdriver, leave a tail sticking up, and wrap it around and around until you end up with something about like this. Okay? You will take it and set it down over top of your thermocoupler inside the heater. Right there like that. Okay. Use the pocket torch and heat all this up until it's good and hot. Once it's hot, that will be radiating heat to the thermocoupler, which will make it like the pilot light's burning. Once that's warm, you can turn your gas on and light the heater. And then these little tails sticking up in front of the fire will transfer heat down to that coil, which will act like the pilot light. It'll keep it hot, so your gas valves will stay open and it'll stay burning.